Guys, welcome back to Jeera's Kitchen. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today I'm going to make cucumber carrot curd rice. So summer has officially started, so I thought this curd rice will help to cool you off. This is a very simple twist to the usual curd rice. Now let's see how to make it. So first I'm going to do the tatka or the talipu. Gonna add a little bit of oil. I don't like too much oil in my curd rice. Into the oil I'm adding mustard seeds, some jeera, Asafoetida, and then some green chilies and ginger. A little bit of curry leaves. And I'm just frying these for like 5 to 10 seconds, that's all. So I'm going to switch off the flame, and with the remaining heat, I'm going to cook carrot for about a few seconds. Just for a few seconds. Just to blend in with all the ingredients. So this is done. Just took about 10 seconds. So here I have 1 cup of cooked and mashed rice. So I added about 4 cups of water to cook the rice and mashed it with a spoon a little bit. I didn't mash it too much. I'm going to add the tatka. Next I'm going to add cucumber. Obviously the main ingredient. Curd, some coriander leaves, some curry leaves, and finally some salt. So yeah guys, cucumber carrot curd rice is done. I'm gonna have a taste of it. This is actually so easy. So easy, so flavorsome. Pickle or potato is like the best combination. This is so yummy. Wow. And the cucumber is an amazing addition. So guys, I'm gonna have this for lunch. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.